Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be talking about disproving one very important limiting belief about inspired action. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Perfect Self-Concept course or my Manifest Your SP course. I'm actually adding new 90-minute long videos to each module for the Manifest Your SP course, and I'm actually going to be upping the price considerably after I publish the final video, so it's very well worth to get in now while you can. I never have sales on my courses, though I consistently go up in price. As Beyonce says, don't argue with these lazy bitches. I just raise my price. So get in while you still can, because you will be getting those videos and you will be having this entire course for life. So to access it or the Perfect Self-Concept course, just go and read it. And I also have provided links in the description box down below. To book one-on-one coaching with me, go on ritakaminsky.com or click the link down below as well. This is where I can guide you specifically on your situation. This is going to be a one-on-one conversation where all of the attention is on you and you only. But all the information and everything that you could ever need is on ritakaminsky.com. To join my collective coaching, just simply click the join button right next to my name. This is through members only, where I answer all of your questions via video format. So I intend for this video to change your life for the absolute best, and let's get into it. I talked about this in my previous members only video, and I get questions about this quite a lot, almost every single day. So I really want to spotlight this exact topic and this exact idea. There is no such thing as taking no action. You're always taking some sort of action on a moment-to-moment basis, whether it's sitting down and doing nothing. You're still in the act of doing nothing. You're still in the act of sitting on the couch and watching TV. You're still in the action of laying in your bed and watching TikToks. The thing that I want you to get through your heads is that every single action that is aligned, that is inspired, that makes you feel good, is all leading you to your manifestation. So, do you take action? Controversial answer, yes, you must take action in order to get your manifestations, because if you don't take actions, you're dead. You are literally just not even a human on this planet anymore, because each and every single thing that you do is an action. I understand what people are saying when they're asking this, but that's not the question that should be asked. The question should be asked, do I need to intentionally do something to get something? And the answer is no. This is where my entire topic and the reason why I'm alive ends and begins. You are limitless. You don't ever need to go to school as a means to an end to be rich. You don't have to go to the gym to lose weight. You don't have to post every day to get a bunch of subscribers on YouTube. It's never about the action. It is the energy behind the action. So when I say I'm posting YouTube videos every day because it inspires me and it makes me happy, that is a lot different to I'm doing it so I can get subscribers, to appease the algorithm. The same action, but the energy behind it is much different. One is desperate, one is excited and aligned and taking inspired action. So yeah, you're gonna have to take action, but if that action means going out with your friends when you want to be rich, or laying down in bed scrolling on TikTok when you need to work on your business, that's exactly what it's going to be. That's actually going to be leading you to your manifestation. It's either going to relax you, release your resistance for your manifestations to come in. TikTok may give you an idea for a business. That's not up to you. The how and the reasoning behind why you want to do something is not fucking up to you. The only thing that you should be worrying about is being in tune with your star player, following what makes you feel good on a moment-to-moment basis. That is literally it. We live in an action-based planet. We're living in the 3D. You can't not take action. But whether it's desperate, limited, fear-backed action versus loving, inspired, limitless action, that is the real question that I can't answer to you, that you should be asking yourself on a moment-to-moment basis. There's not one blueprint to doing anything. It's about what feels the best for you. And even the you from yesterday that worked non-stop and that felt aligned to you, if that doesn't resonate with you today, that's not your path anymore. It may be tomorrow. So for a very long time, I was filming one video per day, just one, because that's what felt aligned to me. I wanted to do specific makeup for a video and hair and an outfit. I wanted to give all of my energy into that one video. Now what's more aligned for me is bulk filming a bunch of videos in one day and still keeping that energy, because I'm more experienced now, because that is what excites me, because I love the feeling of really getting in the zone of filming videos and just getting it done all in one day and then editing every single day, every single night. That's what's aligned for me. Not because I think I need to do other things throughout the day, so I don't have time, so let me just bulk film videos all in one day from the morning to nighttime. No, it's I feel good bulk filming right now. This is what I'm ready for. This is the trajectory of my life. And then when I don't feel like doing that anymore and I want to post one video a week, one video every 2 weeks, I will know and trust that that is enough based off of my inspiration. So yeah, if you are aligned to eat a bunch of food and drink a bunch of alcohol, and you're doing it out of pure joy, happiness, excitement, and pleasure, that's going to lead you to losing weight. If you don't want to film YouTube videos and you're manifesting 1 million subscribers, you not filming is leading you to your manifestation. Because what if you're chilling and then an idea for a TikTok video pops up? You make the TikTok video, that blows up, all of the people on your TikTok get referred to your YouTube. There are an infinite amount of ways your manifestation could happen, and you're seriously holding yourself back if you don't just listen to your fucking self, to what makes you feel good. People are like, how do I listen to my higher self, Rita? Your higher self is you. It's not like a voice should be coming down into your brain and being like, you should do this right now. Although that would probably be much easier, but what is much funner and what is more better is follow what makes you feel good, because what makes you feel good is literally your higher self being like, go here, go here, go here, go here. Because it's literally leading you to your fucking manifestation. I know that that clicked for you right now. So yeah, you're taking action. You're always taking action, but you're not taking action for your manifestation. You're taking action in every single moment because you can't not, and you're doing things that make you feel good regardless of your manifestation, and it all somehow, not your job to figure out how, but it all just somehow adds up in the most perfect way, where when you look back, you're like, oh, that's exactly how it was meant to happen. Okay? So with that being said, I trust that this video gave the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.